Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ. Nurturing dreams of students and bestowing great opportunities on them, Thapar University has taken the responsibility to provide the best to the scholars there. Focusing on practical-oriented lectures, faculties are the pillars of the institute.
My one prime motive after my entrances was to get into an institute which had national recognition, which had a crowd of diversity. And after I came to the college, I met a number of different people with different perspectives, and the infrastructure of this institute totally caught me off guard. I was so impressed, I was so excited to be a part of this institute. And today I can say that yes, I made the right decision after my 12th standard, and today I'm really looking forward to the life I will have after my college, because this college has given me a personality to root for, which many people actually crave for, and made me the student I always desired to become at some point of my life.
Apart from the classroom lectures, sport field and gymnasium has also garnered much attention from the students.
मुझे एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम्स के बाद एक नेशनल लेवल यूनिवर्सिटी में जाना था, जहाँ पे सारी तरीके की एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़, स्पोर्ट्स विद एकेडमिक्स बहुत अच्छी है. तो मेरे को अपने दोस्तों से और मेरे बड़े भाई से उनसे ये पता लगा कि थापर यूनिवर्सिटी एक बेस्ट कॉलेज है इस चीज़ के लिए, तो मैं यहाँ पे आया.
They also acclaim of the top-class facilities provided to each one of them.
The campus, as you can see, is very huge. It has everything in here. We don't have to go outside for anything. We have around 15 hostels here, a shopping complex, a number of auditoriums, a playground, a track, everything here.
While listening to all these, it wouldn't be wrong to say that Thapar University is a complete universe in itself. NYOOOZ Desk.